Hello, welcome to My Dreams Academy. This video all about Telangana State Transco Sub-Engineer Examination 4th video. Sub-Engineer Examination 4th video. In this 31st question is the ratio of illumination. The ratio of illumination when everything is clean. When everything is clean. Next, the ratio to the illumination under normal working condition. Under normal working condition to when everything is clear. Okay. So, which option is correct? Depreciation factor. The answer for this one is depreciation factor. Okay. Next, electrodes. Electrodes used in projection welding. Okay. The projection welding is like this. Okay. So, this is flat in shape. Okay. So, electrodes used in projection welding should be flat, not round, and that too it has large diameter. It should have large diameter. Okay. So, the option is 2. Okay. So, option 2 is correct for this question. Next, we are going to see question number 33. It is all about induction heating takes place in. Okay. So, induction heating anedi manaki ekkada manam use chestam anedi question. First option, conducting but not magnetic material. Second one, conducting materials may be magnetic or non-magnetic materials. Next one, insulating materials. Next one, conducting and magnetic materials. Okay. So, induction heating takes place. Induction heating takes place. So, it should be conducting material, but may be magnetic, may not be magnetic, that is non-magnetic. Okay. Induction heating takes place at conducting materials, and it may magnetic or may not be magnetic, that is non-magnetic material also. Okay. Then next question, that is the most modern method of heating in food processing unit. Okay. Always you have to remember what method of heating we used in non-conducting materials. Okay. So, food processing. So, microwave ovens untai kada, microwave ovens, that is dielectric heating. ఇక్కడ మనకు ఒక ఎలక్ట్రోడ్ ఉంటుంది, ఇక్కడ ఒక ఎలక్ట్రోడ్ ఉంటుంది, లైక్ దిస్. ఇక్కడ డైఎలక్ట్రిక్ మెటీరియల్స్ అనేది యూజ్ చేస్తాం, సేమ్ యాజ్ లైక్ కెపాసిటెన్స్ ఎఫెక్ట్. అండ్ నెక్స్ట్ క్వశ్చన్, ద స్టీల్ పైప్స్ ఆర్ మ్యానుఫ్యాక్చర్డ్ బై. ఓకే, యూ హ్యావ్ టు రిమెంబర్ దిస్ యాజ్ ఇట్ ఈస్లీ. స్టీల్ pipes are manufactured by resistance welding. Steel pipes are manufactured by using resistance welding. And next question, this is some bit interesting. So, that is 60 watt lamp. 60 watt lamp and luminous flux వచ్చేసి 1500 lumens. Its efficiency, we need to calculate the efficiency. The efficiency units are lumens per watt. If you remember this one, the efficiency of illumination, if you remember this one, okay, that is lumen for watts. Directly you can see the units of this one. So, we have 1500 lumens divided by how many watts? That is 60 watts. 0 0 will get cancelled, 6 1s are, 6 2s are, 6 5s are. So 25 lumen per watt. Okay, the units of lumen efficiency, the units of luminous efficiency, that is lumens per watt. This is the question number 36. Now 37, cooling of a transformer is necessary to. Okay, we need to, 37, we need to cool the transformer. Why? Because when it is conducting, that is nothing but when it is acting as a full load condition. Okay, so full load condition lo unnapudu there are huge copper losses. Because of this copper losses is nothing but I square R losses, that is nothing but heat will be dissipating. Okay, so energy neither created nor destroyed. The energy which is consumed by the resistor will be dissipated in the form of heat. Okay, will be dissipated in the form of heat. Now, so we need to cool that effect. So what we have to do, cooling of a transformer is necessary to depreciate the heat generating in the windings. Okay, in order to decrease I square RT, this is the heat. In order to decrease the heat, we use cooling effect in a transformer. So depreciate the heat generated in the windings. So option 2 is correct. 37 question. Next, 38th question, power loss in the open circuit short circuit test on the transformer. We know in the transformer we have two types of losses. So MM losses untai, transformer contains two types of losses. First one, I square R loss. Next one, core loss. So core loss, this is copper loss. Okay, how we can able to find copper losses? By using short circuit test. By using short circuit test, we can able to calculate I square R losses. Similarly, the core losses will be conducted by using open circuit test. Okay, this is from short circuit test and this is from open circuit test. And the last question, sorry, 39th question, that is all day efficiency of the transformer. Okay, all day efficiency will be calculated for distribution transformer. So all day efficiency will be calculated for distribution transformer. First of all, we will going to see power transformer. Power transformer efficiency is output power divided by input power. Output power divided by input power in watts. Okay. Next one, all day efficiency. All day efficiency, output power into, we need to multiply time divided by input power into time. Okay. Now I'll tell you the options, that is kilowatt hour output divided by kilowatt hour input. This is kilowatts and units of T is hours. Kilowatt hour output divided by kilowatt hour input. This is the question number 39 and the option 2 is correct for this one. Next one, the ratio of primary and secondary. Okay, ratio of primary winding and secondary winding a transformer is 2:1. Is 2:1. This is the ratio for primary as well as secondary. If I connect this one to auto transformer, how much we can able to save the copper? Okay, how much amount of copper will be saving? Okay, so K value in auto transformer is 1/2. So the saving of the copper is 1 minus K. So that is 1 minus 1/2. It will give 1/2. That is nothing but 50%. We can able to save 50% of copper. We can able to save 50% of copper if we use auto transformer instead of a 2-winding transformer. Thank you all. This is the 4th video from 31st questions to 40 question, and if you have any information regarding sub-engineer examination or AE examination, JLM examination, please do subscribe our YouTube channel, that is My Dreams Academy, and also you will get lot of information from our app, that is My Dreams Academy app. Go to Google Play Store and there you can download My Dreams Academy app. Thank you all. If you have any information regarding any another queries, we'll have one phone number below in the description. You can contact to that number also. Thank you all.